Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter your Instagram comment section so you can automatically hide bad, offensive, or unwanted words. This is super useful if you want to keep your comments clean and positive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Instagram and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This step is important so you don't face any issues while changing the settings. Once the app is updated, go ahead and open Instagram. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu. From here, scroll down a little and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now keep scrolling until you find the option called Hidden Words. Just tap on it. Here you'll see different options to control your comments and messages. Scroll down, and you'll find the option where you can add custom words. Simply type the words that you don't want to appear in your comment section. From now on, whenever someone types those words, Instagram will automatically filter or hide them, and only you will be able to see them. And that's it! This is how you can easily filter bad words and keep your Instagram comment section clean and safe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.